Does your headphone echo? It's not always your headphone's fault. If this issue happens on Windows 10, then we know how to solve it. This is Silicophilic, where we help you solve tech issues. When you have a weird echo with your headphones while listening to sound on your Windows 10 PC, follow the solutions we will mention in this video and you will be able to fix it in no time. Before we get into the solutions, subscribe to our channel for future tech support. Also, like this video if it helps you solve your issues. So, let's begin. The first thing you need to do is run the audio troubleshooter. When you have any audio related issue on Windows 10, it's best to run the audio troubleshooter and let Windows try to check and fix it. Press the Windows plus I keys to open settings. Select Update and Security. Click on Troubleshoot. Select Additional Troubleshooters from the right panel. Here, you will see the Playing Audio Troubleshooter. Click on it and select Run the Troubleshooter. Windows will start checking for issues. If it finds anything, it will show up and Windows will suggest what you can do about it. Follow along as instructed by the troubleshooter and see if the issue fixes. If the audio troubleshooter comes up with no issues or following it does not solve this problem, you will have to disable all the audio enhancements. Type Control Panel in the search menu and open it. Change View By to large icons. Find and open Sound. In the playback section, you will find the name of the headphone connected to the system. And select Properties. In the Properties window, click on Enhancements and check the Disable All Enhancements box. Click on Apply and OK to save the changes. When disabling the enhancements also does not help, try updating your audio drivers. Right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers option. Right-click on the audio driver and select Update Driver. Click on Search Automatically for Drivers option to let Windows search for updates and install them. Restart your PC after updating the driver. So, that's it. If this video has helped you in figuring this issue, then give us a like and subscribe to our channel. If the solutions didn't help you, then join our Facebook group and share the issue with us directly. We will definitely try to help you out. Thanks for watching Silicophilic.